Devna, do you expect up ki bar 8% par? At least H1 tells us that we are clocking a run rate of 8%. Do you think that momentum can continue given the fact that we are now looking at hopefully better Q3 earnings results also after the GST cuts, which should have led to better consumption? Can we expect hopefully clocking and continuing with this 8% run rate and say up ki bar 8% par for FY26?
See, I mean, even now, if you look at the GDP, a lot of the heavy lifting is being done by government expenditure. Yes, private consumption is now going up. The low for private consumption was in 23-24, so it's been going up since then. When people discovered it only when the market started going down that there was a problem with consumption, but actually the low was at 23-24. So consumption is going up, which is why I said, that's part of the reason why you will see corporate earnings going up. So, and part of why consumption is going up is that the inflation is low. So
Right.
to some extent, I would say that the real GDP number is little bit overstated. And if you look at corporate earnings, they are really tied to nominal GDP, which not real GDP. Because and you actually calculate the nominal GDP and then use the inflation as a deflator.
Right.
Nominal GDP numbers have been actually quite low, and part of it, of course, as I said, is not just that the inflation has come down, but in certain products, the prices themselves have come down, which
Right.
almost never happens, which looks like a very good thing, except that when you remember that nearly 50% of India's population is dependent on agriculture, 46%, I think is the number.
Yeah.
And when food prices go down, their incomes go down. So it is good for the urban consumer, not so good for the rural consumer when the low inflation is driven by food prices.